Did you know there's a game-changing way to make money online in 2025? You've never seen this before. It's opening doors for beginners to earn fast without a large following or complicated setups. This video reveals why now is the best time to start, how to tap into this new opportunity, and what steps you can take to turn it into real income. Stay until the end to learn how to get ahead before everyone else. Give Luxo-Life some love, and let's get started. TikTok Shop Opportunity. TikTok has been taking the world by storm, and now it's introducing something even bigger. TikTok Shop. This new platform is changing the game for people who want to make money online, especially beginners. The best part? You don't need a huge following to start earning. With TikTok Shop, you can set up your own store and sell products directly to millions of users without the pressure of building a massive fan base. It's a fresh opportunity that makes it easier than ever for anyone to start making substantial income from home. What makes TikTok Shop stand out is how it's still relatively new, which means there's less competition compared to other established platforms. This gives you a real chance to get in early and make a name for yourself. The platform allows creators to easily promote and sell their products in creative ways, all while leveraging the power of TikTok's viral content. You don't need to be a social media influencer with thousands of followers. The low barrier to entry makes it an ideal option for those just starting out. There are real success stories of people who've earned thousands of dollars in just a month by using TikTok Shop. Some have turned their passion into a full-time business, while others are making a decent side income without spending all their time on content creation. These success stories show that TikTok Shop isn't just another trend, but a legitimate opportunity to make real money online. If you're looking for a way to generate income from home, this platform might be exactly what you've been waiting for. The beauty of TikTok Shop is that it offers something for everyone. Whether you're selling physical products, handmade goods, or even digital items, there's a place for you to thrive. Why now is the best time to start? With the ongoing rise of TikTok's popularity, now is the perfect time to jump in. Being an early adopter of new platforms has always been one of the best ways to see the highest returns, and TikTok Shop is no different. Those who start now in 2025 are in the best position to capitalize on this opportunity before it becomes oversaturated. The early stages of any platform are when the biggest rewards are earned, and TikTok Shop is no exception. By getting in now, you can gain a competitive edge that will help you stand out and maximize your earnings. People who've joined TikTok Shop recently are already seeing incredible success. In fact, many have earned significant profits in just a matter of weeks. For example, some creators have made thousands of dollars by simply sharing products through their videos and engaging with followers. It's not just about having a large following, it's about getting in at the right time and using TikTok's features to promote your store effectively. These early success stories prove that the potential for making money is real and achievable. Even for beginners, the window of opportunity is wide open. But it won't stay that way forever. As more people catch on to the potential of TikTok Shops, the competition will only grow. Right now, the market is still relatively new and less crowded, which means the chance to stand out is higher than ever. If you wait too long, you could miss out on the biggest chance to earn as more and more people jump into the platform. Starting now gives you the advantage of being ahead of the curve. How TikTok's affiliate and creator programs work. Let's now talk about TikTok's affiliate and creator program, because they are your partner in making money. These programs give you the chance to promote products and earn commissions. even if you don't have a massive following. The process is simple. You pick products you like, share them with your audience, and earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your link. What's great about it is that you don't need to worry about handling customer service or shipping. TikTok takes care of the logistics, so you can focus on sharing products you genuinely love. TikTok's affiliate program is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone. Whether you're a creator with 100 followers or 100,000, you can still participate and earn money. All you need to do is find products that match your niche or interests, promote them in your videos, and include your unique affiliate link. When someone clicks on your link and buys the product, you get a percentage of the sale. It's a great way to make passive income with very little effort. The best part is that you don't have to worry about handling customer support or dealing with returns. TikTok takes care of all that behind the scenes. This means you can focus solely on promoting the products and engaging with your audience. There's no inventory to manage, no packages to ship, and no complicated customer issues to solve. It's all about finding the right products and sharing them in a way that feels natural to your audience. This makes the affiliate program super scalable. You can promote more products, earn more commissions, and grow your income without taking on extra work. Using Coda.com to identify trending products and competitor insights. Now, in order to help you identify trending products and stay ahead of the game, let's talk about Coda.com. This is a powerful platform that makes it easy to discover what's hot in the market. Whether you're looking to sell products in beauty, personal care, or any other category, Coda provides the tools to find the best-selling items. It helps you track competitor performance and spot trends that could lead to profitable opportunities. The best part? Beginners can get started with Coda for free, giving you a chance to dive into product research without spending a penny. Coda.com is designed to help users like you find trending products quickly and easily. You can filter through different categories, like beauty and personal care, to pinpoint the items that are gaining traction. For example, if you're interested in the beauty space, you can use Coda to track what products are getting the most attention, helping you find items that are in high demand. With all the data at your fingertips, you can make more informed decisions about which products to promote or sell, increasing your chances of success. One of the most valuable features of Coda is the ability to track your competitors. You can see how other sellers are performing, what products they're pushing, and how well they're doing in terms of sales. This gives you a clear view of what's working and what's not. By keeping an eye on your competition, you can adjust your strategy, find gaps in the market, and focus on products that have the potential to be winners. This insight is crucial for staying competitive in the market and scaling your business efficiently. Creating engaging content that converts. Now, let's be honest here. You need to trend. Creating engaging content is what's going to drive sales and get people to click on your product links. Even if you don't have a fancy setup or a big budget, TikTok gives you the perfect platform to showcase your creativity. The key is to focus on making original, relatable content that resonates with TikTok's audience. You don't need professional equipment or a huge production team. What you need is a hook, a problem to solve, and a message that connects with your viewers. One of the most important things to keep in mind when creating content is to grab attention right from the start. Use a strong hook in the first few seconds of your video to make people stop scrolling. Whether it's asking a question, sharing a surprising fact, or showing an eye-catching moment, you want to immediately spark curiosity. TikTok users have short attention spans, so you've got to hook them in quickly if you want them to stay engaged and eventually take action on your product. Another way to create content that converts is by focusing on solving problems. Think about the pain points or needs your audience has and create videos that offer solutions. For example, if you're selling a beauty product, show how it solves a common issue, like reducing acne or boosting skin hydration. Offering value in a way that addresses your audience's concerns builds trust and makes them more likely to buy from you. When your content is genuinely helpful or makes life easier for your viewers, they'll be more inclined to take action. Lastly, remember that TikTok is all about authenticity and relatability. Don't try to be someone you're not. Let your personality shine through. Whether you're sharing a tutorial, doing a product review, or showing behind-the-scenes moments, being real and relatable is what TikTok users love. If your content adds value and speaks to your audience's needs, you'll be on the right track to creating videos that not only get views but also drive real sales. Keep it simple, keep it authentic, and focus on offering something useful. The more you do this, the more your audience will trust you and want to purchase what you're selling. Proven strategies for going viral on TikTok. There are some proven strategies for going viral on TikTok that can really help you stand out. One of the most effective ways to create viral content is by putting your own unique spin on popular trends. If you see a video that's getting a lot of attention, instead of copying it exactly, try to add your personal touch. Whether it's a funny twist, a new perspective, or a creative remix, making it different and original is what will catch people's eye. TikTok thrives on creativity, and when you stand out from the crowd, that's when your content has the potential to go viral. Another key to viral success is analyzing top-performing videos and using that data to improve your content. Look at what's working for others. What type of videos are getting the most likes, shares, and comments? Is it the style of editing, the type of content, or maybe the way they engage with their audience? Once you identify these patterns, you can fine-tune your own videos to increase your chances of going viral. Pay attention to what's trending, but always make sure to keep it true to your style and personality. It's all about creating content that feels fresh while still tapping into what people are already loving. A great tip for increasing your engagement is batching your videos. Instead of creating just one video at a time, try filming multiple videos in one go. This allows you to test out different styles, topics, or hooks to see which ones resonate best with your audience. By batching, you also have more content to post consistently, which is crucial for staying visible on TikTok. The more videos you create, the more chances you have to fine-tune your strategy and figure out what works best for you. Plus, it can save you time in the long run. How to collaborate and expand to maximize earnings. To maximize your earnings, you must know how powerful collaborations can be on TikTok. Partnering with other creators is one of the best ways to expand your reach and increase your sales. When you collaborate, you tap into each other's audience, allowing both parties to grow. Whether you're teaming up for a fun challenge, promoting each other's products, or simply sharing tips, collaborations give you access to new followers and customers who might not have discovered you otherwise. This shared exposure can lead to more engagement and ultimately higher earnings. Collaborating can also open up new revenue streams. By teaming up with other creators, you can get noticed by brands and influencers who are looking to partner with the right people. These partnerships could mean sponsored content, affiliate deals, or even product collaborations that bring in extra income. The more you collaborate with others in your niche, the more opportunities you'll find to earn money through various avenues. Plus, partnerships with established influencers or brands can add credibility and help build trust with your audience. Another benefit of collaborating is how it helps you grow your network. When you team up with creators in your space, you're not just reaching new audiences, you're also building valuable relationships. These connections can lead to more collaborations down the line, making it easier to grow your presence on TikTok. Networking also makes it easier to learn from others, share strategies, and stay up to date on trends. The stronger your network, the more opportunities you'll have to grow your brand and your earnings. Finally, TikTok's algorithm loves engagement. When you collaborate, you naturally boost engagement, which means your content has a higher chance of getting seen. The more engagement you get, the more likely TikTok's algorithm will push your videos to new users. This creates a cycle where your videos get more views, leading to more followers and eventually more sales. So, if you want to maximize your earnings, collaborating with other creators isn't just a good idea. It's a strategy that can help you expand, earn more, and take full advantage of TikTok's platform. And that's everything you need to know about the game-changing way to make money online in 2025. If you're enjoying content like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and share it with others. If you're new to Luxo-Life, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. See you in the next video, Luxo lovers.